All power and glory go to God. All greatness is from God. When a hero stumbles, the cowards rejoice. Nothing feels better to a coward than to watch a brave guy fall.
Yes, the Waffle King is back with another video. It's been a while, but we are going to do something very special today. I call this my Pineapple Express. Yes, Pineapple Express. It's going to be amazing. So sit back, relax, enjoy how we put this together, and let me know what you think in the comments. Alright? I love y'all. Thank y'all for always sticking by me. Even during my 2 months absence, you guys have been still checking out the videos, still showing me love, still leaving me comments, and the newcomers are still subscribing. I love y'all. I thank you so much. This video right here is just many more to come. So again, I thank you. Enjoy the video. I love y'all, and we gonna make this happen. This is the year we're gonna try to reach the number 10K, and if we can make that, that's gonna be amazing. All right, so sit back and enjoy. This is my Pineapple Express.